Alright, here we got a intake manifold. Took it off my Chevy Cruze 2013 1.4 liter engine. Went ahead and cleaned this port out here with a brake cleaner. Over here is the hole I need to plug up. I need to go ahead and put a now I'm gonna apply this bonding material. Guess I'm gonna put it around the screw here. Okay. So here we have it. I want to put the screw all the way in. Put some epoxy around it. Alright, looks like I have to drill a hole up to 9/16. So I'm going to drill a hole right here first. Okay. Okay, after inserting a lock nut here and putting this nut here, we're gonna get either, in this case, a 19 millimeter or an adjustable wrench. Just gonna start tightening it up. Alright, now we're going to apply the Teflon tape and then put it around the threads of this this elbow here. Okay, Teflon's on the elbow. I'm going to go ahead and put this in here. Next, I've inserted a check valve with the arrow pointing towards the throttle body. Go ahead and tighten this up. And next I'm gonna put this thing on. Tighten this up. So I inserted the hose in there, put the hose clamp on. Now next thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and put this part in here. And then go ahead and insert this in here.